can see right now, I have only a single contact in my HubSpot CRM. But let's say someone sees me out on the Facebook and they're interested and they fill in this lead form. They simply click on this submit button and this lead form is submitted successfully. Now let me just open my HubSpot CRM and refresh this contact list. Once we're going to refresh this list, you are going to see that now we have a total of 2 contacts and the new contact details are added right over here. This is no magic. This is the power of automation which we're going to create in today's video. Just give me 3 minutes and I'll show you how you can also create this. To create this automation, just open the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. If you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. You can click on this button to get a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And you can add up to 100 of leads to your CRM for free, okay? Once you log in inside Pabbly Connect and come on the dashboard, click on this create workflow and then create using a quick builder. Simply enter your prompt right over here, which is Facebook leads to CRM. Mention the name of your CRM to be specific. I'm just going to mention the name of my CRM, which is Facebook leads to HubSpot. So let me just send this and it is analyzing my request. Over here it is going to ask me for few details. I'm just going to simply choose the details right over here and my workflow is created. So let me just click on this approve and create and then open workflow. Now my workflow is created successfully. What I have to do is I just have to connect my applications. So first let me just connect this Facebook lead ads. I'm just going to open this and click on this connect button. You have to make sure that your Facebook account is logged in before starting with the automation. Click on this add a new connection and then connect with Facebook lead ads. If your Facebook account is not logged in, first Pabbly is going to ask you to log in your account and then only you're going to get this option to click on this continue. Once you get this option to click on this continue, just click on this continue and your Facebook lead ads account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. Now you just have to choose the page using which you are collecting the lead details. So I'm just going to choose my page and then the form for which I want to create this automation. Select the response format as simple and click on this save and send test request button. And it is saying waiting for webhook response. So in order to capture the webhook response, just open your lead ads testing tool and create a test lead. In order to create this test lead, you just have to select the same page, same form and the product as lead retrieval and click on this preview form. You have to fill in this form yourself right over here and then move on further. As you can see, I've successfully filled in this form as new user and now I'm just going to click on this continue and then submit button. Now you can see we have successfully submitted the form. So let me just open my workflow and Pabbly is going to capture the response for the same right over here, which is the details of the lead we just mentioned. It is going to take just a few seconds and the details are captured. Now let me just connect my HubSpot CRM. For that, I'm just going to open this and click on this connect button, add a new connection and then connect using HubSpot CRM. Over here, you have to make sure that your CRM is also logged in. Otherwise, first Pabbly is going to ask you to log in your account and then only you can choose the account right over here. Once you choose the account and give Pabbly all the permissions, your HubSpot CRM will also be connected with Pabbly Connect. It is going to ask you for all the details right over here. So you just have to enter the details which you have, but you don't have to enter the details manually by tapping it like this, but instead you have to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So first of all, it is going to ask you for a lot of details. So it totally depends upon you what details which you want to fill in right over here. Just map those details and you can leave the rest of the details as blank. Like I'm just going to map this phone number right over here and then move on further and click on this save and send test request button. Now it is saying that we have successfully submitted this and the new contact is created in HubSpot CRM. So let me just open my HubSpot CRM and refresh this contact list and you're going to see yes, a new contact is added right over here with the same details which we mentioned right now. And yes, this is no magic. Like I showed you in the starting of this video, now whenever I'm just going to receive a new lead from Facebook lead ads, instantly the details will be added in my CRM. So yes, we have successfully learned how to do this in 3 minutes. Go and try this, and if you have any doubts, just drop them in the comment section below. The workflow URL is attached in the description box below. If you want to purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, don't forget to use my discount coupon code, which is RITYT. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.